Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Trending Investor. Before we gonna start, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So today I'm gonna say whether the Bizgurukul is a scam or not. How do they make money from the people? Is it from affiliates or from the courses? And I'm gonna conclude whether this is scam or not. So here it consists of three courses like gold, sapphire and platinum, and I'm gonna tell a detailed information about in later, so you can enroll into this course by clicking here. And these are testimonials, which is basically a fake ones. You can edit it, and this is also a fake one, the numbers which I added here. So before we're gonna proceed, let's just check the refund policy of the Bizgurukul platform. So it says that after 24 hours of purchase of the package, you will not be refunded. You have to request a refund before 24 hours, and 2% and 5% of the amount will be deducted while you are being refunded. And no refund is given to the customer who have been purchased directly from the Bizgurukul website. And whoever the person wants refund after 24 hours, they will not be refunded. They must request a refund before 24 hours. And the following details like full name, email, registration date, screenshot of payment with date and time, and reason for demand refund must be given only in certain conditions, and before the refund is done before 24 hours only. This is the basic condition, and you may not find whether the packages which are useful or not. And these all packages, I mean the courses which is there in it, they are from other platforms which has been inserted into this gold, sapphire and platinum packages. I'm gonna discuss about it later. See, Bizgurukul is registered under private limited company under the Companies Act of 2013 in MCA. It earns the income by selling the courses as affiliates and like commissions. You may see this as MLM, which is multi-level marketing. Like it's like chain marketing only. I'm gonna say about it later. That's all about them now. Here I'm gonna show a variety of courses which is available in Bizgurukul, and these courses are gold, sapphire and platinum. And I'm gonna go through one by one which and all courses are available in it, like advanced personal development, Facebook Messenger, Instagram Masterminds, spoken English mastery, and digital marketing mastermind, and video superstars. And Sapphire course consists of advanced masterminds, YouTube mastermind, and Google Ad Mastery, Excel Mastery, and you will get gold course for free in it. You see, and email marketing is also available in it, and this is for 6,000. And another course is platinum course, and in this you will get master public speaker, copywriting, mastermind, content writing, and you will get gold and sapphire free for in it. This cost consists of 10,000. Now let's just see how much commission you're gonna earn on every referral you make. The gold package which you have got to buy for 3,500, you will get a commission up to 2,000. Even they buy platinum or sapphire, and here where it get interesting, where if you buy sapphire package, you will get 2,000 as commission, 4,000 and 4,000 if you buy sapphire, and if you refer by sapphire and platinum. And if you enroll for platinum course by giving 10,000, you will get commission of 2,000, 4,000 and 7,000 for gold, sapphire and platinum. And you may contact them by using location or from your email, and you can send a message I don't think this is legit, as they have not provided a phone number just to contact them. Only the Gmail has been provided. This is the first red signal where you're gonna see, as this is a MLM type of scheme. Here I'm gonna show how you can enroll in these three types of courses of gold, sapphire and platinum of 3,499, 5,999, 9,999, and you got to choose this, and the registration page will be appeared where you will be showing the summary of the payment, and you got to check the sponsor and sponsor number, mobile number, and check. And in sapphire same is the procedure, but the amount is 5,999, and for platinum same as gold as sapphire, but the amount will be raised to 9,999, and you got to create an account, email ID and create password, and place the order and make the payment from debit or credit card. And that's all I'm gonna say about this Bizgurukul. So yeah, let's jump into conclusion of Bizgurukul platform. I'm not going to say whether this is scam or not. The Bizgurukul is a private limited company registered under MCA of Companies Act. It is just like an MLM, multi-level marketing scheme, where you go to buy a product and you go to 2 or 3 members, and you will issue commission based on it. Here you only got to add infinite number of members. You will be getting commissions, like I stated previously. Many people will buy there, and there will be so many people, and no more people could be joining, and then the basically Bizgurukul platform will be stopped itself. So basically this is a scam type project, and no one can put the case on it, and it will shut down. Here you just got to add many people into it. So yeah, if you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any criticisms, tell me in the comment box. See you in the next video.